Good day everyone, Best Ever Toy TV here again. We will be doing another diecast review, this time from Tomica. This is the new Fast and Furious R34 Skyline GT-R from Tomica as part of their Dream Tomica lineup. This is a new one again from their Dream Tomica lineup, Fast and Furious series. But before that, we have to clarify something. So as posted from our Matchbox showcase video posted by R34 I hope I pronounce your name right. He said that this Land Rover Gen 2 from Matchbox has two variants, and lo and behold, it does. So he said that the variants have different roof racks. So check out this one here. Let's check out this first. Check out the roof rack on this one. Now this one has the fog lights right there, just like the picture, and some different molding for the roof rack, while this Land Rover here doesn't have the fog lights and it has different molding on the roof rack. So side by side, check that one out. Different, right? So thank you R34 for pointing it out. I'm really glad for that, and thank you so much for that clarification and some knowledge on these 65 Land Rover Gen 2 from Matchbox. So moving on to Tomica. Again, we will be unboxing this one. I bought this from Shopee under the Shopee store manipulator _ something. I'll post the link down below. Bought this slightly above SRP, but that's okay. So finally I removed the plastic from the packaging. It was really hard to remove, and let us open this one. I'll be using my car key to pry this one out. And here it is, the Skyline R32 from Tomica. So it has this inside the box, serial number, some Japanese words that I don't understand, but yeah, it's cool. It's part of the package. Here's the car. Ooh, I've seen these a lot in Tomicas with from cars with spoilers, and here it is, the R32 Skyline from Fast and Furious series. Remember, Hot Wheels has this casting too with the exact decals and colors. I can't do a comparison right now because regrettably I sold mine a few months ago, or was that last year? I forgot. Regrettably sold that one, and was not able to buy it again because the prices of that car is just too ridiculous. And again, here it is. So here it is. No opening features for this one though, kind of disappointing because most Tomica cars have opening features, but really lovely details. Check out the front of the car here. Headlights are clear plastic. It has the GT-R logo right there, really tiny, but you can see it. Yeah, really tiny. The grills have fantastic quality too, fantastic details. It comes with the standard Tomica rims though, which I think will be a turn off for some collectors. Check this one out. Whoa, my spoiler at the back is slightly crooked. It is noticeable, but yeah, that's why I don't like these plastic spoilers. They are soft and they bend quite easily. I remember I also have a Tomica car with plastic spoiler. I forgot what car that was, and it was bent too. I think that was a premium Tomica car, but yeah, we can push this a little bit to fix that. Yeah, so rear lights are painted red. No details though on the plate number. Exhaust is painted. Here's the base of the car. It is plastic. Some exhaust details and suspension details. And as usual with these Tomica cars, they have suspension, and this one too has suspension. So what else? Yeah, no opening features. Slightly disappointed. It doesn't have side mirrors too. I'm slightly disappointed with this one. So is it worth 500 pesos? I think this is just like a Tomica mainline car or a basic car, but this one cost 500 pesos. That's $10 here. So that would be all for our Tomica review of this Fast and Furious R34. Sorry, I said R32 lots of times earlier, but this is an R34 Skyline GT-R. I'm really sorry, guys. I'm only human. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please subscribe to our channel, Best Ever Toy TV. Hit the like button, please. And see you soon, guys. Bye bye. Peace out. Enjoy the rest of the day.